Now, when it comes on to taking care of your skin, we tend to focus a lot on our face. We even tend to focus on our neck and décolleté. But sometimes we totally forget to focus on the rest of our body. Just like the face, you exfoliate it at least 2 to 3 times per week. That is exactly what you need for the rest of your body. You need to exfoliate your body all the way from the neck down to your toes at least 2 to 3 times per week to keep your entire body, your entire skin looking amazing. Get rid of dead skin cells, get rid of grease and dirt from the skin, and also clean out those clogged pores. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share a body scrub. This is a body scrub that is good for all part of your body, especially your knees, your elbows, your buttocks, your ankles. This is good for your feet. This scrub will help your skin to look much better, much cleaner, and much brighter. So if you're interested to see how I made this body scrub, follow me to my kitchen. Before I get in the kitchen, however, if this is your first time watching my channel and you're not yet subscribed, here is your chance to do so. Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. It's as easy as that. Click on it. Guess what? You're subscribed. Don't forget also to turn on post notification on your phone. Now, if you're an oldies, you've already subscribed, what we're asking you to do is to watch the video to the end. Support your girl, support the channel. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a blender. My first ingredient is chamomile, and here I have some loose chamomile. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the chamomile and pouring this in my blender. If you do not have chamomile, you can go ahead and you can use some green tea in this recipe. I'm also going to be using some basil, and I'm using dried basil. If you have fresh basil, go ahead and use the basil. Basil will help to clear wrinkles and fine lines, rich in antibacterial properties. I'm using a teaspoon of the dry basil. If you're using fresh basil, go ahead and use about 1 tablespoon chopped basil. So here in the blender, we have basil and we have chamomile. And what we're going to do with these two ingredients, we are going to blend it to a powder. So we're just going to cover. Now after blending, we are going to pour our basil and chamomile powder in a small bowl, and it smells amazing. So this is about 2 tablespoons of chamomile and basil leaf mixed together. Next, we're going to reach for our sugar, and today we're going to be using brown sugar. So we're going to use a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and we're pouring this in. And now we're going to mix all the 3 dry ingredients together. We are mixing brown sugar, chamomile, and basil. Mix well. Once this is done, we are going to add some liquid to this. Now, my first liquid of choice is some aloe vera gel. We're not going to use much aloe vera gel. All we're using is about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, pouring that in. Next, we're going to reach for some honey, and honey will help to hydrate the skin. I'm using a rounded teaspoon of the honey. Pour this in. I'm going to use a bit of a vitamin E oil. Use any of your favorite oil that has vitamin E. And I'm using about a 1/2 teaspoon or so of the vitamin E. So now here in our bowl, we have our dry ingredient, and we also have honey and aloe vera gel with vitamin E. So we're just going to work this in, the mixture, slowly working the mixture in. Mix well. You do not need a lot of liquid in this. So continue to blend the ingredient together. And I'm telling you guys, this smells so amazing. So mix. And once this is done, what I like to do with this, I like to set this aside for about an hour or 2 before I use it to let the ingredients infuse in that brown sugar. So I also like to store mine in a storage jar.
Let's reach for that storage jar. Now if you want to make more of this scrub, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. So let's just pour this in. And this is it. This is your body scrub. This you're going to use to exfoliate from your neck all the way down to your toe. Exfoliate with this at least 2 to 3 times per week on your skin, and you will clear blackheads, whiteheads, get rid of rough looking skin. This is good for armpit. This is good for groin, good to clear dark knees. This is good to just exfoliate your entire body and give it a clear, bright complexion. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Go ahead and store this in your bathroom so that you have easy access. Use it up within a week or two and you're good to go. Now since this is a body scrub, I cannot show you, how I use it in the shower. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm just going to demonstrate on my hands right here real quick for you to see. So when you get in the shower, you're just going to exfoliate your skin like this, and I want you to take a look at what is happening while I am exfoliating the back of my hands. This feels amazing and I can't wait to go use mine right now after I finish plimming. So you exfoliate for about a minute or so on each area, just to exfoliate your entire body. And look at this, guys. You can already see how nice and clear that is looking compared to the one that I didn't exfoliate. So let me rinse this off and show you the difference. Now take a look, both of my hands are wet. I just exfoliate this, and this is not yet exfoliate, so you can see how amazing this body scrub is. Remember, if you want to make more for 2, double up on the ingredient. This amount will take care of 1 application.
And there you have it. It is as simple as that. An homemade body scrub. Make it your own by adding your favorite essential oil. Thank you for watching, and guess what? Since you made it to the end, I'm sure you want to watch more videos. So take a look. Here I'm going to have some suggestion for more videos that you can watch. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.